Hello, welcome to the Mark Janot Show, the cybersecurity show. It appears that Apple has a huge problem on their hands with the Apple Vision Pro. I'm going to cover why that is the case in this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So for many Apple Vision Pro buyers, the honeymoon is already over. It's no coincidence that there's been an uptick on social media of Vision Pro owners saying they're returning their $3,500 headsets in the past few days. Apple allows you to return any product within 14 days of purchase. And for the first wave of Vision Pro buyers, we're right about at that point, right? Comfort is among the most cited reasons for returns. People have said the headset gives them headaches and triggers motion sickness. The weight of the device and the fact that most of it is front-loaded has been another complaint. So we have Peter Ortolani, he works at The Verge. He said that he thought using the device led to a burst blood vessel in his eye. At least one other person noted they had a similar experience with redness. So to be fair, VR headset users have anecdotally reported dry eyes and redness for years. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Now, despite being a magical to use, as you know, we'd hope, it's simply way too uncomfortable to wear even for short periods of time, both due to the weight and the strap designs. I wanted to use it, but dreaded putting it on, says Ortolani, who also posted about returning the device. And we have a statement and it reads, "It's just too expensive and unwieldy to even try to get used to the constant headaches and eye strain I was experiencing. I'll be back for the next one." Now, guess who is happy about this development? Please let me know in the comment section below. This isn't surprising. Every human body is unique, which is a problem when you're scaling wearable production for the mass market. Comfort is inevitably sacrificed and it affects people disproportionately. With smartwatches, it often boils down to the size and the weight of the case compared to your wrist. With smart rings, it's the size of your finger. Many people are unfortunately between sizes or have issues with finger swelling. For smart glasses and headsets, having a low nose bridge can mean the device just slips off your face or fails to adequately block out light. So the person that I was referring to is Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg is really happy about this development, and I made a story about it, so please view it if you have time. But the hardware isn't the only issue. Another common complaint is the Vision Pro doesn't offer enough productivity relative to the price. One user noted on Threads that looking at Figma screens made them feel dizzy, but the device also wasn't applicable to their work. Another engineer wrote on the social media platform X that here's a statement, coding experience failed to convince him, and focusing issues caused headaches. Now we have another statement right here. "If I'm not using this for productivity, and if I don't love it for entertainment, and if there aren't enough games to play on it, I just can't justify keeping it," one Reddit user wrote. For Carter Gibson, senior manager working at community management and moderation at Google, it's the finer details. Things like fuzzing around with Windows and file management are productivity deal breakers, right? We have a statement, and the statement reads, "It's difficult to multitask between Windows," Gibson told, he said, in an exchange on Threads. Several file types simply aren't supported on the Vision Pro. So that's what I have for you today. Please let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. The goal this year is 10,000 subs, so please help me reach that goal. Also, please let me know your comments of this in the comment section below. I'll do my best to get to you. So stay safe and see you in the next video.